In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications in Microsoft Outlook quickly and effectively as part of our 2025 guide. Whether you're tired of hearing dings every time a new email lands in your inbox or you're just looking to minimize distractions while working, I've got you covered. We'll walk through a straightforward process that will make sure your productivity is at its peak. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to https outlookoffice.com. Don't forget to log into your Outlook account if you're not already. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main Outlook dashboard where all your emails are neatly organized. Now to adjust the settings, look towards the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see the gear icon, which represents settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. Clicking this will open up a sidebar on the right side of your screen where you'll have a range of settings options to explore. Next, to make the process even quicker, let's utilize the power of search. Type notifications into the search bar that appears in the settings sidebar. Immediately, you should see notifications pop up as an option under Mail. Click on this to delve into your notification preferences. Here comes the crucial part, deciding what notifications you wish to turn off. On the notification settings page, you'll see several toggles related to your email notifications. To turn off those constant email alerts, switch the toggle for email notifications to the off position. If you'd prefer a quieter work environment without the jingles every time an email pops in, go ahead and toggle off the sound option as well. Lastly, if those desktop notifications popping up in the corner of your screen are causing unnecessary interruptions, you can disable desktop notifications here too. With these toggles set to off, you'll find your workspace much quieter and more conducive to concentration. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off notifications in Microsoft Outlook, ensuring no more unnecessary alerts or sounds will disturb your workflow. This quick and easy change can make a significant difference in maintaining focus during your day. And remember, if you ever want to re-enable any of these notifications, you just need to return to these settings and toggle them back on. Thanks for joining me today, and happy focusing!